Alright, tech enthusiasts, today I've got a thought-provoking topic for you. We all know that AI robots are becoming more integrated into our daily lives. They clean our homes, deliver packages, and even assist in healthcare. But here's a question. Why use AI robots when the homeless could help? If we just use the homeless people for these tasks, then why would we need AI robots? Imagine this, instead of investing billions into developing and deploying robots, we could channel these resources into providing jobs and opportunities for the homeless. This way, we're killing two birds with one stone, giving the homeless a place to live and work, and not adding more bodies into society. Sounds like a win-win, right? Let's break this down. First, the economic aspect. It's no secret that developing AI technology is expensive. From research and development to production and maintenance, the costs can skyrocket. On the other hand, creating job programs for the homeless, providing training and accommodation would also require funds, but arguably it could be more cost-effective and socially beneficial in the long run. Next, the social aspect. By integrating homeless individuals into the workforce, we can combat homelessness and its associated issues like poverty, mental health problems, and substance abuse. These individuals would gain a sense of purpose, stability, and self-worth, which are crucial for personal development and societal harmony. Now let's talk about efficiency. AI robots are designed to perform specific tasks with precision and consistency, but they lack the human touch. Homeless individuals, once trained, can perform these tasks just as well, if not better, and with a level of empathy and understanding that robots simply cannot replicate. Of course, there are challenges. Training programs would need to be comprehensive and supportive, taking into account the varying needs and backgrounds of the homeless population. Additionally, there would need to be ongoing support and supervision to ensure success. But isn't it worth considering these efforts if it means creating a more inclusive and compassionate society? Lastly, let's not forget the ethical implications. Relying solely on AI robots can desensitize us to the importance of human connection and empathy. By giving the homeless meaningful roles in our society, we not only address a significant social issue, but also remind ourselves of the value of human interaction and supports. So why use AI robots when the homeless can help? It's a complex question with no easy answer, but it's worth pondering. As tech enthusiasts, it's important for us to not only embrace innovation, but also consider its broader impact on society. What do you think? Could this be a viable solution? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, stay curious and keep exploring. Until next time.